What is up, YouTube? Chaz here, and today I'm here with
Guillaume.
and
Anthony Lopez.
Bastien.
so the whole family here. Guillaume, you won first place today in the Bern Regional 2023, which is impressive. Show us what you played today.
We were all playing like the same deck list. There is Bastien who had like 2 cards difference, and I think I had only one with you inside
Only
deck.
in the side deck, yeah.
So we were all playing Ishizu, Tier, and Bistro.
Yeah. Okay. Let's check it out then.
So 2 Rhino, 2 Sharon, 3 Agnes, 3 Merly. Some are playing like 3 Rhino and 2 Merly, but I do prefer like this. You can touch it more often, and it's better with like Scream too. And it doesn't make you need a card in hand when you do mill this instead of this.
Okay.
For the spells and traps, we are playing only 1 Scream and 2 Celiac. Scream is like okay when you are first, but second isn't that good, and you can still solve the trap, so it's sufficient. And you can like full each one Celiac, add the other one still, so you don't really need more of those. And you still have pretty high chance to touch a Celiac when you are milling with Kikalos or the effect.
Yep.
And the first spell.
Would you cut this?
No, never. And the best spell in the deck. Instant.
I would cut this.
Yeah, same.
It's too easy.
Yeah.
For the Ishizu, so 3 Midora, 3 Kedlo, like you don't need to cut any because they are like the best card in mirror match.
Yeah.
And 3 Kelbeck. No Agido, because we are playing a lot of Bestial and a lot of non-engine cards. And we think it's better than 1 Agido. He was playing 1.
Personally, I play 1 Agido because it's more easier to make Exiton and against Thunderies. You want to mill 10 if you can.
Okay. Interesting.
But since we aren't playing Exciton Knight, we didn't need the Agido, and Quebec is sufficient against other matchup, I think. The difference between milling 5 and 10 against other matchup isn't that much.
Okay.
For the Bestial, 3 Magna, 2 Druids, and 1 Sarony. They are the best card in mirror match, so you have to try to kind of max it out main deck, but you can't play the 9 in main deck because you have to play against other matchup too, and you can break if you play too much against a deck that doesn't take those.
Yeah. So perfect ratio for you.
Yeah, in main deck, yeah.
Yep.
And for the last one, it's 3 Super Poly and 3 TTT. Against Sprite, if you touch any, normally you kind of instant win. It's good when you are first and second. This one it's a little strange when you are first because you can't really activate it.
In the mirror you can.
Yeah, but yeah, it's still pretty rare. It's not like you do it too often.
Or if you have Super Poly, you mill. You
Yeah.
do Calbeck and then you Super Poly their Modragon away and you win.
Yeah, you can. But I think they're the best card for this deck with the Bestial and other stuff. For the extra deck, so 1 Spring, 1 Elf, 1 Dark, classic. For the X4, yeah. Since we're playing a lot of Bestial, we are playing 2 X's, 6 instead of 1.
Yeah. Too strong.
And those.
Yes.
And for the fusion, dual 6. Sometimes I was playing 2 of this because of Kashtira, but it was like, yeah, I did play it like 1 tournament because some players were playing Kashtira tier sometimes, but it's not relevant actually.
No balls. Just play 1 and get it banished.
For the side, Cowboy, you have to play something for the time because you don't want to lose simply because of this rule.
Yes.
No, it's for the attack boost. It's the biggest rank 4 you have, so you need to play it.
True fact.
The three other bestial, because when you are in mirror match, you can play 9, so it's better than playing only 6. And since you already know you are in mirror match, it's okay to play the 9.
Yeah.
3 Nibiru, it's mainly for sprite. It's quite okay in mirror match too, especially if you saw Super Poly.
Yeah.
Sometimes they are playing around Super Poly, so they are doing, instead of Ricalo, they are doing Stapelia. Then you can finish them with the Nib.
And Nip is listed is mostly an FTK.
Plumeau is playing Earthbeats instead of Plumeau.
To respect the back redux.
Yeah.
But we play only one back removal. We already have the field spell, so it's okay.
Yeah, just
And we have Zeus too.
And you can also play Exitanoid instead of the elf if you play Guido.
Personally, I cut elf for Exiton because in some match you prefer use Exiton effect for clear the board.
Okay.
Like against a sprite or pendule, it's okay to make this. But I didn't really want to play this one.
Yeah.
So 3 Dark Ruler, mainly for sprite 2. And Flunder. And this for Flunder.
Oh yeah.
Some people play like 2 and 2, but we think it's better to have a free spell for when you are going second.
Yeah.
Instead of having this, which can be negated by the trap, the RP's trap.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Nice. Nice, solid profile. All right. Do you want? Oh, is there anything else you want to show? Or?
Thanks to all my team. Thanks to Anto who mainly made the deck list with Akan, I think.
Yeah.
It was a good event. So I think it's. I will come back in Swiss to do other event.
Cool.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah, we have another one tomorrow, but after.
Alright. Cool. Guillaume, thank you so much, and the family, of course, as well. Congrats once again,
Thank you.
and have a nice evening, y'all. Goodbye.
Thank you.